Here we go, another larger Pondless Waterfall. Pond Paradise Designs. Check this out. Got a meandering stream. Nice, really nice marsh rocks on the side. Look at the erosion in some of these stones. Incredible. Look at that thing. Wow. That's incredible. Incredible looking stone. Look at that. That's a really nice strategic marsh rocks placed right in the right spots in this. Got a great cascade going on. Coming up top. Look at that. Wow. Great shoulder boulders right there. Great maple up top, giving it some color. Coming down like that. Nice little side view coming down. Going all the way. Great colorful plants on the sides. This is definitely one that stands out for me that I did. This one is definitely right there where it should be. Good flow rate. Really coming down strong. Got a nice fallback shot on this one. Here we go. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Nice pondless. We call it painless because it's the most least maintenance system out there. Right? Pondless and painless. But check this out. Got real artistic work everywhere right here. Every rock, carefully placed, strategically placed. Big rock too. I mean, some of this rock up here, look at this thing, my favorite thing right here. And look at this, is just like, you know, meant to go together as two right here. These two right here. Look at that touch right there on those rocks. Coming up real strong. Got the box at the top, got a little log action up there to hide the box a little bit. Definitely proud of this one. About 6 feet tall, I would say. This one's right where it should be. On to the next waterfall.